Okay, first is, again, when you talk about dakwah, the most important thing is doa. This is the first important thing, because this one we cannot do dakwah without doa. Okay, because doa is basically is for us to get ourselves connected with Allah, and at the same time also to ask Allah for help, like trying to get others also connected with Allah juga. That means dari nama doa kita minta Allah bantu kita. Kedua, kita kata, ya Allah, Kau berilah taufik kepada si fulan-si fulan. Aku insya-Allah, ya Allah, kau ajarkan aku ni macam mana cara aku nak sampaikan. So that means that is basically you asking Allah for help lah, the doa. Secondly, our intention we must correct. Why we do the dakwah? Because we do the dakwah not to change people. We do the dakwah to rectify ourselves. Tapi kalau kita buat dakwah, kita nak ubahkan orang, kita akan penat. We'll get tired. We get angry, we get frustrated, and then we leave the dakwah also.